Let's talk about books from emergence to convergence. Books were the world's first mass medium and continue to grow and influence us. The Egyptians started writing on papyrus in 2400 before the Common Era. A few centuries later, the Romans created early books called the Codex by tying together pieces of parchment made from animal skins. This was the emergence period. The Chinese developed block printing in the 3rd century and movable type in 1000 AD. Marco Polo, the Italian explorer, introduced these techniques to Europe in 1295. Illuminated manuscripts were beautiful, but they were labor-intensive and very expensive. They were only available to the very wealthy. That was the entrepreneurial phase. Johannes Gutenberg, a German inventor, developed the printing press in 1453 and set off a worldwide revolution. In America, publishing houses like J.B. Lippincott, Harper and Brothers, Houghton Mifflin, Little, Brown, and G.P. Putnam in the 1700s and 1800s helped produce everything from classic books to dime novels and pamphlets. The Industrial Revolution of the mid-1800s increased literacy among the middle class and also improved efficiencies in printing. This combination led to a mass medium in books. In 2007, Amazon, which had already been selling books on the internet, developed the Kindle and began selling ebooks. Amazon dominates the book market with 74% of the sales. iPad and other readers have been developed since. Ebooks have grown explosively, and so has the ebook market.